what is mental health stigma? Mental health stigma refers to negative attitudes and meanings that are attached to mental illness. The stigma around poor mental health results from many factors, such as cultural values, a lack of awareness, and inaccurate representation in the media. Negative beliefs about mental illness can lead to prejudice and the discrimination of those who struggle with mental health. So what are some of the different types of mental health stigma? Public stigma are negative attitudes that others have about mental illness, often due to ignorance and cultural stereotypes. An example of public stigma would be a landlord refusing a potential tenant when they disclose a mental health condition. Self-stigma refers to the self-directed negative attitude and shame internalized by an individual with mental illness. These thoughts lead to self-discriminatory feelings and lower self-esteem. Institutional stigma involves policies within government and private organizations that may intentionally or unintentionally discriminate against those with mental illness. For example, when mental health policies are deprioritized versus other forms of healthcare, this limits the opportunities and resources available to the mentally ill. What are the harmful effects of mental health stigma? Mental health stigma negatively impacts those with mental illness in many ways and can result in a reduced willingness to seek or maintain treatment, overall sense of hopelessness, low self-esteem, increased psychiatric symptoms, deterioration of social relationships, social withdrawal or isolation, and even harassment and abuse. How can we work together to address mental health stigma? Be an advocate and normalize talking openly about mental health. Continue to educate both yourself and others. Engage with misinformation or negative comments by sharing facts. Be conscious of your use of language when talking about mental health. Speak out when the media misrepresents mental illness. And finally, show compassion for those with mental illness. Fighting mental health stigma is difficult, but not impossible. If we work together to raise awareness and to call out discrimination, we can promote the importance of mental health in our communities and encourage those who are struggling to seek the care and support they need.